Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have this beautiful curly human hair wig from RPGSHOW for you guys today. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start off with some unboxing and tell you guys the specs on this wig. So if you didn't know, with RPGSHOW, they are a high-end human hair company. So these wigs are an investment, so they have that high-end price, so keep that in mind. So with this wig, you have two combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band that is adjustable. You have some lace in the front. This is a 13x6 wig, and it can be worn glueless. The hairline is pre-plucked, and the knots are bleached already. So as far as the specs go, this is the Wigs by Charisse 037 wig. This is 20 inches, and this has the 13x6 glueless lace cap construction, as I told you guys, and it has the standard density. So I don't know what that is, but it has the standard density. So it can be worn glueless, as I've told you like 3 times. It has the new invisible knots, and it has a real scalp appearance, and it has the upgraded pre-plucked hairline and free parting. So you have that with the 13x6 area. You also have those beautiful caramel brown highlights throughout this wig, which I really like. It gives it vacation vibes in the sun-kissed look. Now we're going to get into the install of this wig. So what I noticed about this wig is that it was a little bit too short on the sides for me, because my hairline on the sides grows down pretty far. So I'm going to say this was a medium cap that they sent me, but my edges grew out kind of far. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring out my edges. So I did tweeze just a little bit of the hairline, but you don't have to do that because it's pre-plucked already. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace off just real quickly. I started off with some bigger shears, but then I switched off to some smaller scissors just to make it more manageable. And instead of fighting with the wig, I just brought out some of my edges right in front of like my temple area, because they do grow down pretty far, and the lace was a little bit short right there. And I just took like my excess contour from my brush that I had on there, my Plotio foundation stick in Mocha, and I just put that on the lace, because you can wear this glueless if you want to. And I'm just going to start off and show you the glueless install. So this is a glueless install. You can just put some bobby pins on the ear tab area and just wear it glueless that way. Boom. Just make sure your lace matches well. This lace is different though. A lot of the lace that I've been working with lately has been kind of ashy, so you just have to make sure you don't go too heavy-handed with, you know, whatever lace tint that you use. And look at what this lace looks like. So this right here, I'm going to be doing a adhesive install, of course, with my Eben adhesive spray. I'm using the black bottle, and I'm just going to spray that on top of my lace, and then press it down with my rat tail comb, and then blow dry it with my travel size blow dryer. I'm just going to melt that down with my melt band. This is a process I always use regardless if it's synthetic or human hair. I'm just going to put my melt band on and let that stay on while I do my makeup. And now I'm going to start to define the curls. So I went ahead and put my towel around my neck so I wouldn't mess up my shirt. And I sprayed the hair down because I didn't wash this hair. I'm wearing it right out the pack. So I sprayed it down with my water bottle, and I'm going to be using my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse. And I started at the roots, and then I worked it throughout the hair, and then I combed the product throughout the hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I worked it through section by section. I believe because this hair is colored, it was on the dry side, but of course if you wash it and condition it, of course it'll, you know, add more moisture to the hair. So I would recommend either going through this process here to add more moisture to the hair, or go ahead and shampoo and condition your hair. So I'll let you guys watch this process of me clumping the curls and preparing it. So then I went ahead and diffused the hair. This process took a while, especially I guess with this curl pattern. It's a little bit looser than a lot of the like kinkier curly textures that I've tried. So this took a while to get it dried completely. So I diffused it before I did my makeup, and then I diffused it after my makeup, and it still was wet, so I did have to diffuse it for a long time, probably like 45 minutes to an hour or so. So it did take a long time, but this is what it looked like after I was finished diffusing the hair. Absolutely gorgeous, so stunning. This color is so beautiful, very vacation vibes and summery. And I'm just taking some anti-frizz serum just to fluff the curls out, just so I wouldn't get any frizz or anything. I put some makeup in the parting space to wake it up, and I'm taking my L'Oreal precision pen, and I'm just going around the parting space to close it up, just so my parting space didn't look too wide. And this is a final look. This is so beautiful. I love this color. Of course, the Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse make this, you know, the curls pop, especially with this color. This is so pretty. This is the sunlight test for you guys. This is what it looks like inside in front of a window. And of course, I went outside. What I will say is, with this lace, it's already like really good. So don't go overboard with tinting your lace. You don't have to go crazy like with some of the lace that I've shown you that's super light. Play around with it. You don't have to go crazy. To me, I feel like the lace is like just slightly orange, so you don't have to add like a super dark contour to it like I've had to do with other lace. But I think this is very, very beautiful. I got a little bit of shedding, but that's to be expected with pretty much any curly wig. I think this is so beautiful. This is going to be pricey because this is a high-end wig company, as I told you guys, but I think this is worth the investment. I do have some RPGSHOW wigs in my collection that I have one in my collection that I've had for 3 years at this point, still in good condition. And I've had people comment on my channel that they've had their wigs that they've bought for like 5 years. So, you know, if you want to invest, I feel like they have some really good wigs. So if you're interested in this wig or any other wig on their website, I'll have links to where you can purchase this wig in the description box. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. Leave a comment down below and share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.